Hey guys, it's sbro123. It's been a long time. It's been months, if I remember. But today it's a new video, and today is an unboxing video. So today we're unboxing the Polaroid 36-hour headphones. So let's do what we always do. Let's unbox it. Well, we don't unbox, we just do. Yeah, you get it. Let's get to the video. Okay, so I bought the Polaroid headphones. If you remember my older headphones that were Volcano, yeah, those broke. So I decided I should replace it with a new headphone. And I decided I'll go for the Polaroid 36-hour headphone. I don't know how it is, but so far it looks really interesting. Like you can see from the box, it looks interesting. But anyways, it says here at the back, it's a high, here it says it has high definition sound. So it says it has good sound. We'll see about that. It has a travel pouch. I wonder, but I think it's like a bag, not like a case. Well, it's a pouch, so I guess so. Then it has up to 36 hours playtime. 36 is quite a lot. That's a day and what? 12 more hours, if I'm right? Just put it down in the comment, or I'll put it there on the subtitles. And it has rapid charge, so I'm sure it has some type of fast charge capabilities. Interesting. Anyways, here's some of the features. Here, the one I'm gonna say the ones that are interesting me. It has long time playtime, 36 hours, 50% volume. I guess I knew there was some type of thing that's that you had to sacrifice. There's quick charge, there's voice assistant, battery charge checking function, so I guess you can check your battery on the phone. I'm pretty sure you can't check it on the headphones, that's not possible. It has a microphone, it has a chat function, and it supports some protocols, which is HSP, HFP, OPP, A2DP, AVRCP, and PBAP. Supports wireless and wired, audio cable included, that's nice. Has easy pairing with voice prompt, so it's gonna be talking to you. And has Bluetooth 5.0. Not bad, not bad. And I bought this for $369. Wait, 359, not 369. Anyways, let's get to the unboxing. I think I should go for a different angle. Okay, so let's start unboxing it. Okay, so opening here. There's no tape for some reason. Usually you'll find tape, but I'm not complaining. Makes the job easier. Okay, opening it here. Trying to be careful. Oh, so there is tape. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I got my trusty scissors. I thought they wasn't tape, but there's tape at the side. I guess you guys can see it here from the side view. Yeah. Anyways, I wanted to say that if there's anything that you want to comment about the video, comment down below in the comments. You guys can talk about anything you want to improve or see, or maybe you can give me advice on how to do things better in the unboxing videos. Okay, anyways, we're back to the unboxing. Got the tape from the side. Okay, got it out. Alright. I'm liking this. It looks like this so far. And I guess we open from here. Alright, okay. First thing first, we have the headphones. Oh my word. They are dirty. Like, no joke, they have a little bit of dust or something. Guess it's been in there for a while, but okay. Feels wiggly. I don't like that, but we'll get back to it a bit later. Next thing that comes in the box, it's in this small bag. This small bag that comes in it. Ooh, okay. So the travel pouch is this one. Very nice. I like this. Very nice. It's dope, right? Ooh. It even smells nice. I don't know why I smelled it, but it has a nice material to it. It feels, I don't know what's the material, but like it feels nice. It feels nice. Okay, then you get the manual. Of course, manual that no one reads, but we have them. Okay. Then we have the cable. By the way, it uses micro USB. So yeah, don't get your hopes up on don't get your hopes up on USB-C. Just by the way. Then next you have an aux cable. Aux cable. Let me just open that for y'all, just to see. Why is it so hard to open it? Okay. Cool. Oh, I like it. It feels strong, but here's the aux cables, if you guys want to see it for some reason, but yeah. And yeah, micro USB, as I said. So far that's it. This box has like a lot of things. It has, for the first time I've ever gotten a bag. That's quite dope, especially considering it was only $350. You know, usually you'll find that in like premium packaging. You know, I mean premium headphones, but it's here on cheap ones. Polaroid knew what they were doing. They knew what they were doing. Okay, now back to the headphones. Okay, it feels I don't know, it feels weird. Like the ear cups, if you see, they move. I never get I never bought in a cup head. I'm just shocked. I'm really shocked. Okay, so yeah, they move for some reason. But okay, so far. Let's see how they feel. Okay. Ooh. Okay, it has a nice grip to the ear. Very nice, very nice. Like, it covers the whole ear. It's definitely like bigger than the than the volcano one. Definitely bigger. You can see them compared by size. Yeah, this thing's covered the whole ear. I can tell you, this is gonna sound dope. Like, I can hear how they're sealing my ear. It's gonna sound dope. Okay, let's get some music on. Where's my phone? Give me a sec. Okay, again, I had to get out of the app, but okay, let's test it out. I'm connected. We'll play. This thing's got bass. They got bass. Oh my word. Oh my word. Okay. Let me try to increase it to the max. Okay. on the max. Okay, 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 alright. Before I got really interrupted, okay, these headphones sound awesome. The bass I heard on this, it's way better than this. This? This is what happened to the headphones. It fell down, okay? That's why it's like this. It's in critical damage mode. And it's bad, okay? It's bad. But honestly, these is dog water compared to this. Way better. Honestly, the design looks even cooler. I think it's more like decent in a way, you know? It has like a classic type of profile. I like this no like symbol here. It's just clean, you know? You just put it on, you know? You just jamming, you know? No brand, but Polaroid is there, you know. Once you see these headphones, you know quality is coming from these. Anyways, it feels nice. It can extend, so yeah, it can extend. Yeah, it can extend to whatever extent you want. It's so comfortable here. I like how they put leather here. Leather instead of like your typical material where they would have some type of coating with foam on it, but this is actual leather. Wow, who knew? And it feels great, honestly. I was quite skeptical about it moving. I don't know how I still feel about the cuffs moving, like they feel like they can like come out anytime, but hopefully it won't. But so far it feels nice. It really sounds good. It feels nice. I can tell you now that these are worth the price. $350 for these. It's quite surprising. They sound dope, trust me. Yeah, they sound really dope. So if you're looking for a headphone, go check out Polaroid 36-hour headphones. I don't know why they called it that. Like, why not like a more classier name? But that's the company, okay? Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. I know I've been out for like a long time, but I'm here. Don't know for how long, but I posted a video at least. You see? So I'm here. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe, like the video, and comment down below any problems you see in the video. I'll always try to like improve my videos. I'm trying different angles here, like with unboxing. I usually would just like do it right in front of me and unbox, but here I'm doing it from like a side view angle, you know. And also, if I remember from my previous video, I did it from the top view. So tell me which one you like, top, side, or front view. Just comment down below and I'll try to look into it. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys again for watching the video. It's SBro123. I'm gonna get my headphone game on, and you are gonna relax and enjoy your day or week or night. So yeah, peace out. Don't forget to stay awesome.